Welcome back, y'all. About 3 years ago, I had took my truck to a mechanic to get the AC worked on because it was just blowing hot air at me. Supposedly they replaced some O-rings. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't, but I'm having the same issue again. It's just blowing hot air at me, and it's been hot lately. Today's probably the coolest day that it's been for a long time, but I'm gonna see if this purchase that I made fixes the issue. So I made this purchase, Super Seal, on Amazon. So let's see. Yes, it does come with the hose. And I also purchased some R13 refrigerant. Now, this product is only for small leaks, and it's supposed to seal any rubber leaks or metal leaks. Once we're done with the Super Seal, then we have to put refrigerant. This refrigerant is from SuperTech. I paid about 36 bucks for this can. So we're just going to go ahead and screw this on. But we're not going to pierce it just yet. Now, this is a Ford F-150 4.6, and our low pressure port is down here. So you can see that right there. So we need to unscrew that from there. It's pretty tight because it's been there for a few years. Okay, and that is our low pressure port. Don't lose it. So let's go ahead and start the truck. Now you want to put your AC on high, on max. Now I'm going to use this laser level. I'm not sure how accurate it will be, but I'm going to aim it right here, and then we'll come back once we're done and see the difference. So we're at 113. Yeah, it's hot in here. It's blowing nothing but hot air at me. And we have it on the AC max. 114. Now if you look here, you squeeze in, pop it in, and push in. That's how you make your connection. Once we have our hose connected, then we'll continue turning our valve till we pierce our can, then screw back out your valve so your Super Seal starts going into your low pressure port. But first things first, you need to shake the can. Let's pierce our can. Okay, so our can feels empty. Now I have two types of charging hoses here. You could purchase both of these on Amazon, but I think I'm gonna try to use this one just because of the convenience of it. It's just a trigger, and it's easy for the pin to go in and out. As for this one, it has a really nice big gauge there, but I have to keep screwing and unscrewing for that pin to go in and out. So we're just going to go ahead and use this one instead. Okay, let's shake our can here. Want to tilt the can. Keep turning your can. And you'll know when the can's empty when the can starts getting warm. So it's holding right under the 40 mark. Okay, this can's empty. Before I put another can, I'm just curious here. See, where we at? 86. And it does feel cooler in here now. So it's been a few minutes and the needle's still holding. So I would say that's a good sign. Let's get another can in there. Back in the truck, so out of curiosity, let's see where we at. Okay. Well, yeah. Nice. I disconnected it. I still have some in here, so we'll just save that. Don't forget, put your cap back on. Got our cap back on. And it seems we fixed the issue. Back in the truck, let's see now. Okay, nice. Ha ha ha. Just keeps going lower and lower. Oh yeah. You know, I've been without air conditioning in this truck for about 3 weeks. Feels nice in here. I think I'm gonna just sit here for a little bit. It's cold in here. Put these extra cans away. So what I think about this super seal. I'm disappointed with the valve. From here, it started leaking the super seal. So I don't know how much of the can actually went into the truck and how much just spilled out into the air. And I know I got it all over my hand. So I'm a little disappointed that it actually did that. As for Supertex refrigerant, well, it's refrigerant. It did the job. And this is an example why I always wear safety glasses when you're doing this type of work. Another thing is, I am not a professional in this field. Anything you do, you're doing it at your own risk. Anytime you're working underneath the hood of a car with the vehicle running, you can get injured. There is a fan that's running in there. Don't leave a rag around where it's going to get sucked up in there and probably pull your fingers in there. I've met people that lost their fingers working on vehicles. So just be extremely cautious when you're working under the hood of a car when the vehicle especially is running. Now the big question is, did the super seal work? I don't know. It's still too early to tell, but I'll probably release a short and let you know that it's still doing its job and I didn't lose refrigerant and it's still nice and cold in there. Hope this video helps someone out there. Also, another thing is, be careful. The fan's not the only thing that's moving. You also have a belt in there that's moving. So just be very cautious where your fingers are and that your can doesn't fall in. You don't want to ruin your vehicle just to get refrigerant in your vehicle. So just be careful what you're doing and be cautious and take your time. Don't rush it. And I hope this video helps someone out there. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one.